Hello, today we're going to prepare an ultra easy dish. Yes, it will solve your breakfast, lunch, or whatever meal you want.
Start by placing 2 cans of tuna, that's 180 grams, in a large bowl. But notice that I'm only adding the tuna. I've drained the liquid it comes with. I also add 2 large eggs, size L, and I put in a little bit of garlic to taste. All that's left is to add this cup of oat flakes and mix it all together, about 100 grams. The thing is to keep stirring it until it's manageable. If it needs more oats, you can add a little more, but very slowly because you need a manageable dough. But it should still be moist so they turn out really tasty. Once you have this texture, and with freshly washed hands, you can start shaping each of the patties. The easy way is to take a spoonful, press it down a bit so it compacts, and you already have a perfect patty disc. Then we preheat a pan with a good drizzle of delicious oil, which I recommend you spread around very well. Spread it so that there's a thin, even layer, both on the bottom and the sides. And here you're going to place the patties one after another. That's all there is to it. And in fact, these are prepared in just a few minutes, so I won't forgive any mistakes. We're just going to place them side by side, and what we'll do is wait for them to brown on the bottom. In just a few minutes, the bottom surface will be golden brown. And if the pan is in good condition, when you move it like this, will they start to slide around? Once they start to brown without getting too toasted, flip them over. That way, they'll stay juicy on the inside and really tasty. Once both sides are toasted, the plate is ready. Take them one by one, finish all the pancakes, and put them on the plate.
Look at this amazing dish we prepared. It quickly looks amazing. Juicy, warm, crispy outside, soft inside. Truly impressive. Look how juicy it is inside. An absolute treat. I love easy recipes with few ingredients.
Healthy.
And really tasty.